Cruise time!
Hello everyone, here's a quick room video of 6220 on Independence of the Seas. When you first come in, right behind the door, you have all your instructions, where your muster station is. And then when you go on your right, here's the bathroom, your standard cruise bathroom. Here's the sink, the toilet. Do like how they switched all the rooms to the glass door instead of the awful shower curtain. When you step down, just watch your step. Here is a pretty decent sized closet. Your safe is in there. Shelving all the way down. Life jackets. Hangers and laundry bag if you do that. This is the ultra spacious balcony, so you get a full length couch, which is really nice for space. You have a full-size mirror. It's nice. As this is a European sailing, they gave us a kettle, which is neat. We have the TV, another mirror, a couple lights, a lot of drawers in this room. And under here is your air quotations refrigerator, but it's just a cooler. Your phone. There's no USB plugs anywhere. The only plugs that I see is those, just those. And light switches behind the water. Here is the bed configuration. Nice pictures. And then we're gonna come out to the balcony. It's a decent sized balcony. Not too bad. So I'm going to stand in the corner. Yeah, good size. And there's a look at Southampton. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe.